Evening, everyone. It's 6:40 on Sunday evening, the 5th of December, and this is your video number 1046, and it's your Sunday evening update on gold and the futures markets in general. I want to take a second on the gold, and this was primarily from Dennis, and that is to note that the open interest has been really wrung out on the gold again. As you can see, open interest in this general neighborhood of about 465, 450 in that area tends to be a time at which the public is really out of it. And what happens is the professionals are involved. This is, as I said, something that Dennis has pointed out to me somewhat repeatedly. What happens then is that they start to move the gold back to the upside and the open interest starts to rise. And as you can see, the open interest down here, when we had 480,000 or so, was 1760, which was Dennis's Fibonacci number a couple of, a month ago, basically. And we had a great rally from that 1760 up to the neighborhood of about 1880. The problem with that is that as the market started to rise, the open interest rose along with it. And we peaked here at, as I said, 1880 or so, and the open interest also peaked at roughly 612,000 contracts. That's 25% more. So we did see, up as high as 650, and so what happened is, as soon as it started to break, all of those weak hands were sellers. And of course, we had this extreme day down 45, followed the next day by down another 22 and a half. But if you look here at the open interest, you can see that it has been moving lower, and currently we are right around 480, pardon me, 502, down from 625 just a week and a half ago. So this is something that I think, we take notice of, and the volume has really dried up. So, I'm thinking that if we can close above 1800, we probably go back to 1860 or so. This area is a problem. You can see it's where it broke down the last time after rallying from the double bottom here and moving from 1677 all the way up to 1920. So this is an area of supply, but it's a long way off if we just simply get a close. Let me just widen this out a little so you can see. The highest close in this whole area looks to be way down here at about 1788. And that's basically where we were tonight on tonight's high at 1789. So just something to be aware and alert to. Same situation with the silver. Oil is up another $1.28. I'm still bullish in the oil, as I have pointed out pretty much repeatedly. And I think, as I mentioned in here 2 days ago, that these very rangy moves after $2.5 and $3 daily ranges to go to, uh, you know, for a quiet day, a range of 11, a range of 4, a range of 7. I mean, we're getting very rangy, and I think that if we close above the 69.95 close, which is the highest close on the way down, all the way from 75 all the way down to 70, I think that we could see a reversal. I think that we could probably see it back in the 75 area. That should be an area of some fairly extreme supply, but that's kind of the way that it looks to me. Coffee is not open yet. The nat gas is down below $4, 3.85 right now. Uh, the silver is up about 9 cents. Copper is again a little bit higher. As far as the stock futures go, the Dow is up 168, Nasdaq is up 12, S&P is up 14. The dollar is up a little. The Bitcoin and Ethereum were down very hard. In my crypto comments today, you'll see an article from Barron's that talks about them, but this is really a catch up to where the cash market is. This is not a new decline. This is a match for the decline from Friday night till now. And the bonds are down 15. Okay, everyone, it's a full week. I'll be back in the morning. Have a good evening.